Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to explain about blanking and punching operation, and I'm going to explain how do we consider these operations while designing a component. So let's start now. See, here I have taken a simple square washer. So when I create a CAD model and create the drawing, I should understand on which process I can manufacture this product. So if it is a machine component, we will go for milling, and so since it is a very small component and a very less thickness, so usually we will go with sheet metal operation. So when we go with sheet metal operation and when we design any component in sheet metal, we have to know the at least minimum sheet metal operations. So we have to know which operation is suitable for manufacturing this, and as well as we have to know the which material and which gauge are we going to use. So let's see here we have to understand what are the types of materials available in the market. So mostly these are available in aluminum, carbon steel, copper, galvanized steel, hot rolled steel, cold rolled steel, and stainless steel. And in stainless steel also there are some grades like 304, 301. So we have to know these grades and these materials. Then only we can select the material. Apart from that, we have to know the different types of gauges. So sheet metals are available in different thicknesses. So like different materials, sheet metal have different thicknesses, and these are defined with gauge like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So as value increases, the sheet metal thickness reduces. So we have to understand the different gauges of sheet metal. So when we design any component in sheet metal, we should be able to select the material as well as the thickness. Thickness is nothing but gauge. So next, after that, we have to understand that how this component can be manufactured. So in our case, the square washer, first thing we should take a strip and we have to cut a blank out of it. So this is the blank. Then we have to take out a slug by punching. So two operations are involved in this. So we have to understand what is the general procedure for doing this. Like for taking out the blank is called blanking, and taking out this slug portion or making a hole is called punching. So blanking and punching are shearing process in which a punch and die are used to produce parts from the coil or sheet stock. And blanking produces the outside features of the component while piercing produces internal holes or shapes. So this is the major difference between blanking and punching. So when we make any component, we have to know these operations. So for better understanding, this is a simple component I have taken. So this is the raw material, and I have taken out this material with blanking operation. So this is the blanking operation, and these slots can be removed with piercing operation. And that is how we have to consider manufacturing processes in sheet metal while designing any component. Thank you.